Hey there, Sarah.
Ew. Hey Juan. Just the person that I wanted to see.
Oh, is that really so? Why is that?
I have a question to do with finance, so I thought you could answer it since you study that actuarial stuff.
Sure. So what is the problem?
So, I quit my job at the bakery a few months ago because of uni.
Yes, I was wondering about that. Surely your savings must be low by now. I also miss the free cupcakes.
Haha. Well, I finally explained to my family that because my studies have become really hard that I had to leave my job.
And what did they say?
Oh, they were actually quite understanding. They said that I could move back home. Thus no worrying about rent or food costs. Leaving just my phone bill, I literally can't pay the next one.
What will you do?
Well, there's the thing. My grandpa wants to pay for it. He said he will buy me an annuity. He used to work at a bank UCE, so he tried to explain what it is, but he just went on about interest rates and stuff. So I still have no clue what an annuity is.
Oh right. Do you just want me to explain what it is?
Yes, please. Can you help me understand this whole thing? After all, I need to organize it soon because my next bill is due next week.
Aha. I got an idea. Can you meet me at the cafeteria?
Sure, okay. Over here.
I brought you a flower.
Oh wow, thanks. So why the flower?
Well, let's say that from today I want to give you a flower every month for a year. I will give you some examples of how I could do this.
Okay, sure. I'm listening.
Well, I could just go to the store and buy a ready flower every month. And this would be the same as if I also bought 12 flowers and perfectly froze them in time for each month.
Okay, sure.
Now the third option is the important one. I could also buy just a couple of ready flowers and the rest in seeds to plant and have them grow so they are ready for the future months.
Alright, I suppose that would be cheaper.
Exactly. This is the same with money. The present value of money is lower than its future value because you can invest it now and get a return in the future.
Alright, I see. But what about the annuity?
Well, an annuity is a stream of income. Buying one gives you the right to receive the income. For example, if I paid the florist in advance for all 12 flowers, that would be a flower annuity of 12 payments of flowers. And because present value of future money is cheaper, so is the present value of future flowers. In order to have a competitive price, the florist would give me a discount.
Alright. So by buying an annuity that pays for my monthly phone bill, we would buy one now and the price or present value would be less than the bill amount times number of bills.
Exactly. In fact, we calculate the present value of future cash flows by discount all future cash flows by the amount of time till they are paid.
Oh wow, that sounds really complicated.
Well, it may seem like it, but it really isn't. I will show you how. Come with me.
Okay, sure, thanks.
And then, here we go. We value it by first the full value of the first payment because that is now and that is why it's called an annuity in advance. Otherwise the first payment would start next month. The second one is discounted by 1 period, which because it is the opposite of growing. We have to divide the second payment by the growth, 1 plus interest rate for the period. The third one follows the same idea, but this time the discounting must be squared because of the compounding factor from the second period.
Oh, I got this since interest compounds on my bank account too, but if I have to do this 12 times it would be very time-consuming.
Well, that is where the actuary study kicks in. You see, this calculation can be summarized mathematically to this. Here the V is the discounting factor, so the 1 over 1 plus the interest rate for the period like before. Then, the N refers to the amount of period, so for you it would be mode. And finally the D is the value that we use and is calculated by dividing the interest rate by 1 plus the interest rate. Simple, isn't it?
Well, thanks Juan. I will be able to calculate the price of the annuity and check that we pay the right amount for it now.